Within this video, we'll show you how you can use the settings function in your Chromebook.
Hi, I am Nicola Graham, one of the co-founders of Simplify Change, who are a business adoption consultancy, here to help you and your teams adopt new products quickly, efficiently, and with a little extra panache. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy using your Chromebook. Now, let's get into the video.
To access your settings, simply click on your status tray. It is located on your shelf at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This opens your status tray instantly, where you can see those quick access buttons for frequently used settings. There is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, night light and your VPN. Click on any one of these and it will take you to the settings options for you to look into more of the details. Below these you have your volume and your screen brightness controls, including a quick view of your Chromebook's battery life. If you click on the gear icon, this will lead you to the main settings page for your Chromebook. Here you can manage multiple settings such as device settings, personalization and applications, amongst other settings that you may wish to view.
At Simplify Change, it is our mission to change the world of change by bringing you fast, simple and creative solutions that work, so that you can have a successful adoption in any change your organisation is going through. Why not visit our website at www.simplifychange.co.uk and learn more about how we utilise our very own B methodology into our change projects, including training your project teams on how they too can become mini change managers by using our framework. We also talk about how we are gamifying the corporate world with our range of adoption games. Meanwhile, if you would like to learn more about Chromebook and other new technologies and solutions for your organisation, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.